Hello again, everyone. It's Vince Flora here from TradeWinds.com, and it's August 2nd, 2020. Hope everyone's having a great weekend so far. Let's take a quick look at how things finished off on Friday. We did see more green on the screen on Friday after those pretty impressive earnings numbers out of the big techs, Apple, Amazon, Google, Facebook, you name it. And the Dow, on Friday finished higher by almost 115 points. Now still remains within this wedge here that it has been in a while. If you look for the past 3-4 weeks, it's been pretty much sideways. But holding the cloud here and looking to move back to those highs. The S&P 500 also impressive move, up 25 points here, and looking for a breakout to new highs. The NASDAQ up 157 points. Now, so far, as you can see, we have lower highs. And the important level is the all-time high here, 11,058. This was the bar here that we identified a couple weeks ago as potentially being the top. If that does not get taken out, and a low gets taken out, we will definitely pull back. But right now, as you can see, the trend is pretty strong here. Tech stocks got a big boost from those earnings last week. There's more to come this week. So keep a close eye on that recent high here, just above 11,000. If we take that out, we'll most certainly go to new highs here. The Russell continues to be flat. It was actually down almost 15 points on Friday, so lagging behind. Bonds finished slightly lower on Friday, while crude oil, which has been completely flat. I mean, talk about a non-story here. Boy, it's been a couple of months now where this thing is just stuck around the 40 level, but it was up 51 cents on Friday, or 1.28%. Gold just continues to roll, up 27.20 on Friday and hitting a new high at 1997. No sign of slowing down at all, although it is extended right now. USD CAD pulling back slightly on Friday. The dollar mounting a bit of a comeback here, but boy, I mean, it's been several weeks now, pretty much a straight line down. Let's broaden the scope a little here and look at the main ETFs of the different sectors, starting with energy. And we're going to see a pretty bullish picture here, not on energy. Energy is the one that is lagging. It's below the cloud and really looks like it's in danger of giving up this low here. And if it does, the March lows should really be the next target there. But look at XLK, new high on Friday. This is the technology ETF. And just looks fantastic there. XLU almost getting to the high of this recent range. There is some slope here on the 20, completing the move through the cloud, so we could see a breakout to the upside there. XLY, new high on Friday as well. That's consumer discretionary stocks and looking for more move there. Retail continues to amaze me. New high again on Friday. Communication ETF, almost there, not quite, but there is momentum there. Still a pretty bullish looking chart. Real estate, not so much, but holding on to the cloud here, still within that range. And as long as it remains above these lows, should be okay. Financials, completely sideways here, very quiet. I'm actually surprised it hasn't taken out the lows yet and moving to the March lows. That's where I expect financials to go in the near future. XLV Healthcare, still holding that previous support here. Tested it once and now again. As long as it holds, we should be at new highs very soon. Consumer staples, same thing. Lots of momentum behind this here. Couple more XLI industrials. Pretty flat, looking like the Dow, and materials actually almost setting up to the long side again. If we can get that RSI back above the 50 line here Monday or Tuesday, we'll get a nice setup to the long side. There is that famous error. Boy, one of these days, I guess I'll have to hire someone to figure that out because I certainly can't. But anyway, we're pretty much done with the charts here. The timing was actually good this weekend. I wanted to move on and look at the news coming up this week. On Monday, we get construction spending, we get ISM manufacturing, and we get total vehicle sales. And these numbers are going to start, to play a bigger and bigger role here as we go forward and we get a clearer picture of the fallout from the pandemic for the economy overall. And so, I'm guessing we'll see lower total vehicle sales. I mean, with all the unemployment out there, that's probably a trend we want to continue to watch. Tuesday, we get Red Book. We also get, what do we have here? Factory orders as well. And Wednesday, we get MBA mortgage apps. We get the ADP non-farm payroll. Those are the private payroll numbers. That is going to be key on Wednesday. We also have ISM non-manufacturing. What else? Crude oil inventories on Wednesday. Gasoline inventories as well. Thursday, of course, the jobless claims, which have been front and center and not really slowing down much here. And that's important to continue to watch. And then, of course, Friday, we get consumer credit. We get wholesale inventories, wholesale trade. But more importantly, we get the big employment report, the employment situation report. So the focus this week will be on the employment numbers. ADP, the private payrolls on Wednesday, and the full employment report on Friday. Of course, there are earnings, among other things. Major League Baseball still trying to decide whether they should continue with the season or not after some COVID breakouts amongst a few teams there and a number of games postponed. But, the other leagues seem to be moving along without any cases. The NHL, NBA so far doing quite well there. So we'll keep an eye, of course, on any vaccine-related news. Not hearing anything big right now. The hope is still to have something by end of year, but from what we hear from the medical professionals, that's still unlikely. So there's also, of course, the whole China situation. Trump talking about banning TikTok this weekend. A bunch of other things, but really the focus this week is going to be a continuation of earnings reports, but more importantly, the employment numbers. So we'll look forward to that. Just a reminder, Monday, 1 p.m. Eastern, we're having another live market chat. I really hope you can join us. I hope to see you there, but that's about it for now. Enjoy the rest of your weekend, and we'll see you on our next update.